Hello guys, welcome to our new episode. Today I am going to discuss about the temperature switch which is installed on the tank. This is the temperature switch and this capillary tube going to connected in the sensor. This sensor installed inside the tank. From their temperature sensing, because of pressure difference, this micro switch act inside the temperature switch. Then contact will be changing. We can go the alarm. This is the basic principle of temperature switch. And this sensor installed on the flange. Inside the capillary tube there is a special vapor like gas. Because of pressure difference it is working. This is the wiring diagram. There is NO, normal open switch, and normal close switch. Which contact you want, you have to connect the same contact. Yes, you can see the temperature switch. I opened the cover, so clearly visible what is inside the switch. There is a one micro switch and one mechanism. This mechanism connected to capillary tube. Because of pressure difference, this needle come up, so this micro switch will be act and contact will be changing. When pressure, because of temperature, pressure will be normal, this temperature switch micro switch will be released and this alarm will be normal. We know the theory, temperature when increase, pressure also increase. The same fundamental use for this temperature switch. And this two cable connect on the temperature switch. Which contact you want,